about to get some demos. Dragged me all the way over here to Gately Audio to listen to some beats. Sorry, I went ahead and opened up your door. I hope you don't mind. So much nicer color now. Just riding that fucking thing. I drove that to Mexico for 14 years. Been calling your favorite people. Yeah. And electric both 2 different times. Rockford actually drew it in like no gun. Maybe he'll pop the hatch and show us all the secret stuff. Oh, he is. Nice.
It just opens.
Oh.
I can't lock it. I made it too close to the thing. People fucking.
So it's the B2 Audio 18s?
Yep, the Rampage 18s.
Sick.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah.
So this thing is going to be a series 2 and 4th order?
6th order.
6th order, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's ported in from the bottom side.
And then there'll be a loading wall on here. So right now it's almost, it's got a coupling chamber ported box. You know what I mean? But it's 6th, you know. But when I do the loading wall, which is one of the next things we're gonna do, it's kind of crazy. It plays lows like crazy. We're gonna be playing 17 and 20 hertz a lot.
17 and 20 hertz?
Like no problem.
Sounds like a good title for this video.
Yeah.
17 and 20 hertz.
The green monster. But it doesn't do, I mean, it does 35 hertz and it's loud, but it's not like, oh my God, it hurts. You know what I mean? And then it comes back at around like 40 pretty well. But when we do the loading wall, everything will gain, including the load.
So let's do a 2-seater. And then, did you want to get into it?
A lot of wind, so.
All right, here we go. The green monster. By the way, did you see all those SMD fuse holders in there keeping all this stuff protected? Did you already film them?
Yep.
Did you? All right.
Remember the hood too?
Featuring SMD fuse holders. There's some other stuff in here too, but you know, mainly SMD fuse holders. Right? Making all this noise. All right. I like your glitter pods, man.
They're the mermaid glitter print.
Mermaid glitter print. Hey, hold on a second. Gargoyle serenade. Get in here, man.
You're getting nice.
Want to get in the back seat, bud? God damn, dude. God damn. Hey, it's way nastier by this port.
God, it's a beast, huh? Well, that was 16 hertz right there.
Nice.
Fucking murder in that 16. That's the lower a fucking frequency I find, the better it fucking plays it.
God damn.
I gotta find some 15s and 14s now.
Shit. The green monster is not playing around.
Drive around fucking slap it.
Everything looks good. Not just this, but the ones inside look fucking gorgeous, man.
I ain't got
Love it.
anything else. I left my keys in Oregon. Luckily, I had a spare in my.
Oh no.